Hello everyone. Today's video we are dealing with unit number 4, 4.2, words often confused, that is homophones. Before this it is video number 2. Before this video we are discuss words often confused, which the words, there are a lot of words in English which has same pronunciation but meaning are different. Such words create confusion in your mind when we write it, when we understand it. So we are dealing with the same things. Okay, course outcomes, you should use appropriate word in appropriate situation. Second, you should write correct spelling word with appropriate situation, and you should speak specific word with correct pronunciation, tonation and pattern. These are the course outcomes. Examination point of view also, the same topic, that is called words are confused, which is asked in question number 4b for 4 marks. Okay, we discussed the homophones. Homonyms means having same pronunciation but meaning are different. These are called homonyms, homophones. We discussed the examples also. Now in this video we just discuss the exercise regarding the same things. It is very important exercise. The same exercise will be asked in question number 4b for 4 marks. Read the questions. The underlined words in the following sentence are used incorrect. Replace them with the correct word and rewrite the sentence. Okay, underlined words are incorrect in that sentences. It is our duty to replace these words and write correct words and rewrite the sentences. Sentence number first. The principal of the college was present for the meeting. Here underline word is principal, but the meaning of principal spelling, listen, concentrate on the spelling. Principle. Principle means, this principle means manner of living, way of living. But here is principal of the college was present for the meeting. Principal means head of the institute. So here we write principles. Right spelling PRINCIPAL, मतलब PAL आना चाहिए. Head of the college, head of the institute. Second sentence. The reign of Akbar was spectacular in history. Spectacular. Reign. Okay. Reign means, what we say that, ideal. Yeah, the traditional हाउसेस, राजमहल बोलते हैं ना आप उसको, फोर्ट बोलते हैं ना, द रेन, बट उसका मीनिंग डिफरेंट है. यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? होल्ड रॉयल ऑफिस. रिजाइन, रिजाइन, रिजन. द रिजन ऑफ अकबर वाज स्पेक्टिकुलर इन हिस्ट्री ऑफिस. REIGN, रिजन. रेन, रिजन. नेक्स्ट सी. A horde, HOARD, horde of dacoits looted the village. Horde. Horde मतलब डिफरेंट वर्ड. अ होर्ड, यहाँ पे होर्ड कौन सा होना चाहिए? HORDE. HORD, होर्ड मतलब अ लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. अ होर्ड ऑफ dacoits looted the village. Sentence number 4D. They had mourning in their house at the death of their mother. Mourning. Mourning मतलब to grieve. The expression of sorrow, grief, pain. Here they had mourning. Mourning का spelling MOURNING. Mourn मतलब to show our grief, to show our pain in their house at the death of their mother. Next, D E we salute our army personnel. पर्सनल नहीं, पर्सोनेल आना चाहिए. पर्सनल मतलब सिंगल इंडिविजुअल, पर्सोनेल मतलब द पर्सन हु वर्क विथ अ स्पेसिफिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वी सैल्यूट अवर आर्मी personnel, PERSONNEL, personnel means staff. F no deserts, desert मतलब रेगिस्तान, बंजर जमीन. नो डिजर्ट्स वे सर्व आफ्टर द डिनर. यह वो डिजर्ट्स आएगा क्या? नहीं, यह अ स्वीट डिश, अ फ्रूट डिश विच इज सर्व आफ्टर द मील, आफ्टर द स्वीट डिश. यहाँ पे देखो नो डिजर्ट, स्पेलिंग DESSERTS, डिजर्ट्स वेयर सर्व आफ्टर द डिनर. जी I do not know whether my dad will come or not. वेदर कौन सा आना चाहिए? यह वेदर कौन सा है बेटा? WEATHER, वेदर मतलब हवामान, एटमोस्फियर. बट यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? वेदर मतलब इफ़. आई डू नॉट नो वेदर, WHETHER, वेदर या इफ़ माई डैड विल कम और नॉट, एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एनक्वायरी. एच देखो द गुड्स ट्रेन इन स्टेशनरी. या स्टेशनरी कौन सा है बेटा? पेन पेंसिल इरेजर वाला. यहाँ पे कौन सा चाहिए? NARY, नॉट मूविंग, फिक्स. द गुड्स ट्रेन इज स्टेशनरी, नॉट मूविंग, फिक्स, परमानेंट. नेक्स्ट देखो आई राम इज वेरी वीक. वीक मीन्स 7 days of the week. Here is Ram is very weak, physically unfit, having less physical strength. WEAK. My new home is very spacious. spacious नहीं चाहिए वहाँ पे चाहिए spacious. कौन सा? A वाला. My new home is very spacious, having ample space, having large of space. Next sentence K. The soldiers show a lot of metal during wars. Metal means a element. But here courage. The soldiers show a lot of metal, METTLE, metal during wars. I the boss complimented complimented compliment और compliment मतलब admire. यहाँ पे complimented the boss complimented his employee on their success. यहाँ पे the boss complimented, COMPLI, ई नहीं आना चाहिए, MENTD, phrase, award, appraisal, admire. Next M, the jasmine flower are flagrant नहीं आना चाहिए वहाँ पे, फ्रैगनेंट नहीं, FL नहीं आना चाहिए, फ्लैग्रेंट नहीं, फ्रैगनेंट. प्लीजेंट स्पेल. द jasmine flower are fragrant, full stop. In this way you can use a specific words in a specific situation as per the meaning is concerned. You should be careful about the words which are confused in English. Okay, these words are having same pronunciation but meaning are different, and such words create confusion in our mind when we write, when we understand. So be careful and take some precautions while writing and while understanding. I hope you can understand it. Thank you.